Set the function selector to normal and mode selector switch to run. Place cup on heat cup tray beneath the desired dispensing tip. Pull and hold the corresponding handle until the cup being used is full. Remove cup or container being used. Place container under the hot water machine. Push and hold the hot water switch until the water reaches the desired level, then release. Remove the container. For a large container, flip the cup tray up and place the container on top of the drip tray. Pull and hold the corresponding dispense handle until the cup or other container is full. Remove cup or container. The dispenser is designed primarily for cups. However, it may be used to fill larger containers by setting a preset portion volume. This allows you to fill a large container with the preset portion without having to hold the pull and hold switch for the entire dispense. Place the appropriate size container beneath the desired dispensing tip. Momentarily press the portion switch. The portion LED will illuminate for 5 seconds after the portion switch is pressed. Hold the corresponding dispense handle, then release. If the user waits longer than 5 seconds to pull the handle, the dispenser will default back to the pull and hold mode. Portion dispense mode can be disabled at any time during the portion dispense by either momentarily pulling the dispense handle or pressing the stop button. For large containers, flip the cup tray up and place the container on top of the drip tray. Place container under the hot water dispenser in the center of the machine. Push and hold the hot water switch until the water reaches the desired level, and then release. Remove the container.